បាទបងប្អូនជាទីមេត្រីថ្ងៃនេះយើងមកជួបជាមួយ Nokia N95-8GB បាទ Nokia នេះផលិតនៅឆ្នាំ2007បាទ Yes now we description about the Nokia N95-8GB បាទវាត្រូវផលិតនៅខែសីហាវាចេញលក់ឲ្យទេនៅខែសីហាឆ្នាំ2007 Yes the product of 2007 Yes August now we try to check about the identity Yes identity this Nokia 95-8GB product of 2007 RAM 128 megabyte បាទបងប្អូនវាមាន RAM តែ128 មេទេកាលពីសម័យនោះយើងធ្លាប់ជួបហើយយើងអួតថាវាដើរលឿនទៀតតែសម័យនោះណារួចហើយវាមានថ្មមួយអំពីចុច2 Yes it has 1200 milliampere battery Yes and then it has LCD 2.8 new Yes 2.8 inch វាមានអេក្រង់តែ 2.8 inch ទេរួចហើយវាមានប្រើ OS Symbian 9 S60 Yes it use the operation OS 9 point Yes 9 point S60 Yes this is the very old Nokia but can be used it has CPU 332 megahertz Yes it is so low and the graphic 3D also Yes this is the specific that we got from the Google ถ้าผมเราหลับได้ Nokia รุ่นเก่าครับมันเป็น Nokia 95 8G ครับมันผลิตในปี2007ครับตัวนี้มันยอดเยี่ยมสมัยนั้นครับแต่มันเสียปุ่มกดนี่หมดแล้วปุ่มกดนี่เราซ่อมได้แล้วครับ Yes this Nokia it is very old and the owner I don't know the owner get from but this volume button and the power button and the camera and media button unable to use but now we restore it already thank you very much now go to see the video how to fix the old Nokia ครับผมเราไปชมการซ่อมโนเกียสมัยเก่าครับបាទបងប្អូនតោះយើងទៅមើលការទស្សនាការជួសជុលទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ